So I still have 4 more products to review in the same freaking outfit with the same hair with the same makeup. But hi, if you're new here, probably you have no clue what am I talking about. I'm doing this series where I talk about only one product. So that's why you'll see me plenty of times in the same outfit but talking about different products. So now we are taking the Gimme Brow by Benefit. I also have one on the Professional, either already posted or coming soon. Either way, I have one because I filmed it literally before this. So this is the Gimme Brow Benefit Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel, and this is in shade free. It doesn't have a proper name, it just has numbers. And this is how it looks like. This is actually a full size. Like, it's quite tiny. It really is tiny. So this is the full price and it retails for 22 pounds. I still think that's expensive. So if you want to see what is my opinion and how I apply this, I actually apply it on its own, just to, you know, give you a fair shot of seeing how it performs. Then definitely watch this video. So it has a very tiny spoolie. I think I already showed you that. And it doesn't have that much. It only has 3 grams. It's tiny. You can tell it's tiny. And 22 pounds. Insane. Insane. However, the reason why I have this one in the house is because I got a pack of a few Benefit products that were worth 80 pounds in total, and I bought them with 30. It was a Christmas edition. If you grabbed it, then you know how lucky you probably felt, because I felt very lucky for how expensive these are. To pay 30 pounds, basically almost the price of this on its own. Insane. So it's not my first time when I tried this. I actually had a Glamour, you know, tiny version from the magazine. I also got another one in the Birchbox. I pretty much I'm close to finish that one up. I love it. And I hate to say I love it because it's 22 pounds. And I feel that's really expensive for this product. However, when I always apply it, I do have a decent shape to my eyebrows. I'm very happy with them. They are decently thick, you know, I don't have that many gaps in between. And this brow gel, just even if I have those gaps, it helps me out to fill in those gaps, although I'm not using a brow pomade or, you know, a powder or a crayon for the brows. It's just literally a brow mascara for the brows that actually fills in even if you have gaps, because it's pigmented and it's really nicely, like, it sets down as well. It doesn't leave like creamy, doesn't stay creamy to a point where it kind of easily moves around, which I do have one that it doesn't do that much, but it's not like the 22 pounds one. I don't like saying I like it, because for me, I am into drugstore, because obviously not everybody will know that. I'm more towards drugstore, but I'm gonna be a liar if I tell you this is not better than the drugstore. I personally tried myself. I think, for example, I always say this, if you're not crazy like myself and you wanna test out and try out, and obviously I'm doing this content, although I'm not earning anything from it, I enjoy testing out products and, you know, have a range, because I also post on Instagram and I do shout out every single product I'm using. I love variety. So if you're like a person who's only, you know, browsing around and you just have a small makeup collection and you wanna maybe test out something like this, I think it's worth it. But obviously if you don't wanna test out more like I do. So that, like I said, the only reason I bought this one is because I got it in a set that was worth, like, I paid 30 pounds and it was worth 8 pounds. If you might find that kind of situation of offer, grab it the faster you can, because this one is good. I definitely think it is the best brow product on the go for myself that I've ever found, because sometimes when it comes to daily stuff, when it comes to, I don't know, nowadays, because no one gets out not no one, but most of the people stay inside, including me. When I usually was, you know, in a rush to go out somewhere to grab, I don't know, to see a friend, whatever, I always grab this because I really like my shape of the brows and I don't feel I need to fill in crazy if I'm on the go. And I love this one so much. So if this video was by any means useful and relevant, then maybe you'll give it a try to the channel and subscribe and stay close. You might look at the next video and see if it's worth subscribing, but I post every single week at least a video, so I actually lately post even more. I post more than a video. So just throwing that out there. But yeah, I'll, like I said, hopefully see you within the next one. Bye.